To my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to use face roller and guasha, and also I'll be telling you guys why should we use this kind of tools. So firstly I need to say about the benefits and its good advantages. So face roller is about to massage our face, and it's not only that, it's also good for our appearance, like jawlines and cheek, like double chins here. And this roller is also good for good skin and reducing wrinkles and under eye deep line, reducing under eye deep line, and smile line also. So yeah, face roller is not only massaging, it's also good for your skin tone, and it's help you to become a glowing skin. And yeah, guasha is obviously to make the shape, what kind of shape, whatever we want. We can do like jawline and gonna double chin here. I also have like gonna double chin here. So yeah, so guasha is really good for our appearance. So this kind of tools, face roller and guasha, is not only good for outer beauty, it's also good for inner beauty. So there are so many types of face roller and guasha, so many types of stone like amethyst, which is purple color, and like I have seen obsidian, which is black, and white crystal, obviously white, and red pomegranate, and rose quartz, jade, like green jade. So there are so many types, and each of them has their own meaning and their own price also. Some are really very expensive. So I need to say this, like why I choose rose quartz over jade or other types. Rose quartz stay cooler, whereas jade is adaptive in nature and tends to warmth with touching with skin. And rose quartz is very well known by its wrinkle reducing benefits, and yeah, so do jade, but jade is soft stone and encounter wear and tear with repeated uses, so rose quartz may last you longer. Also, there are no big difference in price also, so I prefer rose quartz more. Rose quartz corresponds to the heart and the energy, you know, the center of love, serenity and purity, whereas jade is attract to good luck and friendship. So yeah, there is so many types and so many their own meanings, so you can keep with you what type ever you want. So just make sure they are real. You can just compare the real and fake by touching them. They are so cold by, you know, real stone is really cold, and you can see color also. They are unique from like fake products color. You can see by color they are unique and they are just different glowing, you know. Then heaviness, you can just touch them, and you can feel the heaviness of stone, you know. If glass or some marble products are like really light, you can just imagine the real products, and just make sure you are using the real like stone, real rose quartz, real jade. And I'm also telling you guys how to clean these tools. So you just need warm water in a bowl and with soap and like soapy water and clean soft clothes. The tools in a bowl of warm water with soap, and then leave a few minutes for like exact deep and cleans. After that, wash out away with clean water and clean soft clothes, like dry with clean soft clothes. So yeah, make sure you use warm water to wash these tools. Alright, so let's go for it. Before doing anything, make sure you wash your hands. And then, ta-da! Here you can see Jade roller. It comes with this kind of box. And here we go. This rose quartz, and the color is kind of light pink. They have got instructions here, like tips for using Jade roller and washers, scrubbing tools. Repeat each motion about 10 times each evening using a firm pressure, but don't pull the skin. Redness is normal, a sign that blood is flowing, being stimulated, and will last just a few minutes. And continued use should provide improvements to your skin's firmness and brightness. Yeah. And please be gentle around the eye area, and it is okay to use on the brow bone and cheekbone. So guasha it is okay to use brow bone and cheekbone, so they stay jawline, and you will likely feel bumpiness when running the guasha and roller over your jawbone. This is calcium buildup and should be massaged away over time. So but they have got the instructions that it's really very easy to use it. Okay, so let's go with face roller. Firstly, so they have said be gentle with eye area. So let's go with the little one. We're going for the eye area for like one step for 5 times. Okay. It's so cool. It's really cool. Feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just for put upside only. I have this kind of wrinkles here because I have to do with kind of computer screen, phone screens, kind of screens so much, so it is okay. So it is really good for the person who are always have to use the screens. Very gently. And with the bigger one, we're going for the face rolling. I divided into parts, like upper parts and like underside. So 1, it's so cool. 2. They have said redness is normal, so you can see the redness here. I have little bit kind of pimples here, so just be careful. I'll show you the mistaken way. Don't do like rolling. No, just put only upside. If it's 1, 2, 3, not like okay then. And the other side. Don't forget to smile and feel it. If even you had a very difficult day, I always said. You see the smile I hear from this and up. And I also divided into the chin parts, like right side and left side. To the corner. The wrong way, like pulling, no, only up, not pulling it. my forehead to the right one and left one. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. You can also, they have said you can also do like brow bone. It's really peaceful. This kind of face massaging. And then with the little one, really good. Just feel it. So we have done the with the face roller, and we are going to the guasha one. You can easily feel it's real, like you can touch it, and coldness, you can feel the coldness here. So if you have like a literally tired day, you can also do like, you can also massage the shoulder with this Quartz. Very gently hold it. It's really feeling relaxing. So it's really good for you. Just for 5 times. Using guasha for the face with this longer line for the smile line, and then put this for a second to your smile line, and then gradually pull, climb up, like pull up for 5 times for your smile line. I don't see. The longer one, I'm divided my forehead there. 1, 2. And then we're going with this one for our jawline. You can see my jawline there. And from our chins, we're going for our cheek with this, from this line to this line. Just very gentle. We can also massage the eyebrow bone. So guys, that's it for today's videos. I hope you all like it, and it will help you how to use the this kind of tools. And you can use any types like rose quartz or jade or any type. You can use it. So and you can see the shape here, jawline, and it's really glowing in my skin. So it is really helpful. So I need to tell the benefits and good advantages of these tools like face roller and guasha. Yeah, face roller is not only about face massaging, it's also good for your skin, soft, become soft and glowing. And yeah, guasha is so obvious to make the shape, you know, the appearance of jawline. It also reduces the appearance of puffiness, and I also have like kind of double chin here, so I'm going to show you guys. I also do for the neck because I have like kind of double chin, so sometimes it appears and my jawline covers up, so that's why I'm rolling up the neck and this side, that side. So, and if you want cheek, so you can also make the shape of cheek by pulling up. Also reduce the smile line deep here and under deep line here. This roller also reduce the wrinkles and, you know, fast aging. It's reduce the fast aging and glowing. So it's like really very too many benefits. So I'm really hoping it helps you to know when should we use this roller guasha and how to use it. Thank you so much, and I hope you all like these videos, and please don't forget to subscribe me, give like, and you can also share it. So see you in next videos. Bye bye. They have said you can use jade rolling twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. You can use as many times as you want, whenever you want to feel the soothing of calmness. So I am really very enjoying to use these tools in the evening after walk, after office. It is really relaxing and like stressful, just peace of mind. It's really good for outer beauty and inner beauty also. Guys, I need to say one warning. If your skin is very sensitive, and if you already have like red acne, and like your acne is really very hardened, and if you have like some kind of hardened wounds, at that time you should not use these tools. Like I have also this kind of acne here, so maybe just one is okay. You just be careful not touching them. So it's really very important